Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the Railway. Now you're not actually watching my latest instalment of Model Railway News for September because that's not due for another week. However, there's a very special announcement that I've been asked to make today by KR Models. Now if you've watched some of my news videos in the past, you might have heard of KR Models. They're the company that are producing the GT3 gas turbine, which is a model due to be released next year. In fact, I think this month, or possibly at the end of last month, that model actually entered the tooling process, and quite rarely there are some photos on their Facebook page of the first few injection moulds which have been created already. You can see them there looking quite GT3-ish. However, the purpose of today's video is nothing to do with the GT3 because KR Models have actually announced a brand new model which they are going to be producing. So the new wagon is the KUA Nuclear Flask Wagon, which looks like an absolutely fascinating wagon. They were built by Bombardier, who of course were also known for their aeroplanes, for transporting nuclear material, so it's pretty serious stuff. So you might be thinking, yes, that's a very cool purpose for a wagon, and as you can see by this photo, they're absolutely huge, but besides that, just a standard run-of-the-mill wagon, right? Well, actually wrong. This wagon has a very unique and very cool feature about it. And that is that the cargo doors on the Flask wagons are actually going to be DCC operated. They're going to be motorized so that they can open and close, which is very cool indeed. You can just imagine those doors opening automatically on the model and almost transforming the wagon, if you like. And to me, that's particularly exciting because I can't think of ever having another wagon or piece of rolling stock which does have electrically operated features, or at least not mechanical features that actually move. So that's very cool. It also has a number of other excellent, possibly slightly more standard features though, such as sprung buffers. Apparently it's going to have a die-cast chassis and also NEM couplings, which of course you'd expect from most modern pieces of rolling stock. So I think these are available to pre-order. I haven't seen the website yet, but provided that's true, there's going to be a link down in the description. There will be a link of some sort so that you can find out more. Now, they are quite expensive, these wagons. The DCC operated one, which includes all the mechanism and the decoder, is going to be £150, which of course is quite a lot of money, but then again, the opening cargo doors is a very unique and yeah, completely original feature. However, and I quite like this, there is going to be a DC version available, which doesn't have any of this on board. The cargo doors will still be openable, but they will be manual, apparently. And that's quite a lot cheaper. It's about half the price, in fact, nearly. It's £80. So still quite a lot, obviously, but this is a huge wagon, don't forget. Just look at that. It's quite a substantial piece of kit, isn't it? And so for £80 from a relatively small company as well, that doesn't sound too bad. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this comes out. I really will have to try and get Keith to agree to do an interview on here about it, because I'd love to know more about the wagons. And according to KR Models, there are even more projects in the pipeline, so it's certainly very exciting times. But for the time being, that's all I know, so let me know down in the comments what you think, and in the meantime, I will see you next week or Saturday for some more videos, depending on when this goes out. So thanks for watching, folks, take care, and I will see you on the next one.